Container data center. The disruptive power of ID, load into standard containers. Breaking through traditional data centers. High energy consumption, long cycle, weak strain. Elastic expansion changes as needed. Modular Lego-style assembly, coupled with real-time energy consumption and low curve values. Dynamic environmental monitoring system. Monitor comprehensive product operation status. Modular prefabrication with precise consistency. Transforming lengthy construction sites into efficient factory manufacturing. Just prepare the venue. What we deliver is an instant complete digital core. Rapid deployment, agile response. Let leading computing power come on demand.